Alright guys, I'm back. I'm Fontana Monique. And I want to just go through the supplies that I will need in order to make this 10-inch 2 bundles with a 13 by 4 frontal. Here's the frontal. It's a 13 by 4 from AliExpress. The wig cap I used is this one here. I got from AliExpress. And then start placing the tracks here. Okay, so let's get started. I'm sewing my first track. Make sure you go backwards and forwards to make sure that you lock the wefts at the end. And I want to cut my wefts just because it's going to be easier and it's going to be flatter for the wig. One good tip when you're making these wigs is to get you a marker. Well, this is an eyebrow pencil or makeup pencil, and mark your spot for your next track on your frontal, on the back of your frontal. If you mark it from one side to the other, that'll kind of help you stay on point. This is a Canon T6i. This is a pretty good camera. It's one of the newest ones. But as far as the lens concerned, it came with the 1855, and I know I need an 18, which would help with the up close. And this is my third wig. Make sure you tight stitching, like pulling your cap, and also make sure you're back stitching over your tracks. So you want to have a good pair of scissors and a good pair of seam rippers.